Welcome to this week in review of Star Atlas News. I'm Matt with the Intergalactic Herald, and I wanted to go through the things that have come up last week. So if you want to get any of the information or links, please go to theintergalacticherald.com and you'll be able to find the weekly recap number 50 for all the information you're looking for. So the first bit of news is the Metaverse Explorer uploaded a new video. He went over some of the new images and things that are happened in Star Atlas. He also did a ship giveaway. Metaverse Nomads did their weekly live stream where they went over lots of topics, including some Star Atlas. So that's a great video to watch. Gladiator did a recap of Star Atlas for to date for 2023. He went through the different roadmaps that were in the Discord channel. Metaverse Explorer posted another video where he went through his actual ship giveaway. He was able to get some more rewards from his arcade and actually drew 6 people to earn new Star Atlas ships. Gladiator posted another video. This time he did a review of the Opal JetJet. Metaverse Explorer posted another video where he went through different pictures in the Foundation room. Kriggs from the Hologram posted an article about Solana and Unreal Engine 5 moderators on Reddit blocking Star Atlas content. And that's the week in review. So if, again, you want to check out all the links, please go to intergalacticherald.com and look for the recap number 50. Thank you.